So hello there guys, welcome to another video. In this video I will be going to tell about the what are the Allen keys which are required to adjust the windscreen, and in regular intervals of time what are the Allen keys which are used. So let's get started with the bike. So I just kept the bike over here. So from front to the bottom, so you require the like six we need six different Allen keys uh, to do anything on the bike itself, or I suggest you take the whole Allen key set. So this is the Allen key set. Take the whole Allen key set, keep with you, so you can find this whole Allen 10 piece set anywhere in the internet. You can find it in the hardware store also. So using that Allen key set, I adjusted this windscreen a little bit up. So as you can see, there is a little bit gap. So Royal Enfield doesn't give this; they don't adjust it. They keep this to the headlamp. So that has a damaged headlamp. It's very small, but yeah, I can live with that one. And this is the Royal Enfield toolbox, which has a nice package to it. It's decent, it's good. It gets a Velcro, so that's a good touch. I like it. And they kept it right above the battery, and they gave this a small. So they gave this a strip, and they have a badging also. So that's nice. That's cute. Thank you, Royal Enfield. So yeah, that's it. These are the whole electronics which are. This is the fuse box. So this is the fuse box, and the fuse instructions are on this one. Charging system, main fuse, ignition fuse, signaling, horn, lighting. So you are facing any problem, so you should have to check it from here. And these are the spare fuses on. These are the spare fuses on the side. So yeah, that's it. This is the electronic department. That's the fuel injector. And another observation I have done is this is the steel braided line of the back brake, and that is the front steel braided line of the front brake. So this is the ABS box, I guess, where all the fluid comes and get checked and pressurized to maintain the ABS on the bike. So this is the box, I guess. As you can see, there are two steel braided lines, as in if we get on the master cylinder, and the back brake over here. So that's one nice observation that I have done. So another observation I have done is, so let me just show you. So it gets some warning message when you keep the bike on for like, yeah, that's the message, for like 10 minutes or more. You get a message like that. So I tried to figure out what is that word, but I didn't know. So yes, that's the thing. So and another thing is, in regular intervals of time, please have an look on the disc brake bolts, all bolts. So in the long run, they get loose, and you need to have a check. So you can check or just tighten up with the Allen keys. So they come in contact with this plate, and they stop the wheel. It's same case in the front and the back also. So have just a look when you stand or when you are free. So once just have a look. So there is not enough space. So as means there is no enough space. If this get loose and it gets stuck over here, tire may lock up. So that is one thing. Please have a look on that. So yeah, that's it for this small toolbox and informative video. Hope you liked it. So if you liked it, please comment on and like and subscribe. Yes, like and subscribe.